Okay, child care providers. So whenever you are starting a daycare, you are going to go to an orientation for beginning child care providers. And then they're going to give you a form like this called a child care facility current list of children. And so this form is going to help you to be better organized when opening your child care, group home child care status, or you could have a center status. So on one side, you're going to fill out the child's name, the age, the days in the facility, the arrival time, and the departure time. And then this side is for DSS only. You're going to leave that blank. And then you're going to put your name of the facility, the county, your physical address. And this is called a DSS Form 2963 for the state of South Carolina. So in another state, it might be a different type of number. But this form is good to fill out because it helps keep you organized. And then you also want to make sure you keep it in a certain file while you're on site, just in case you have a monitor come by. You just be able to pull this form out of your file. Okay, so it's just another organized tip to help you when you're working. You just need to have it at hand, just a file, and we can go through how to organize our files. So then and I color code mine, so that way when I see a monitor comes in or fire marshal or DHEC, I can just pull that file and present it and be done, and they're on their way. Because we love looking at monitors when they come by. Like, don't we love? Read between the lines, child care providers. For you newbies, you'll see what I'm talking about, because that's a whole nother segment. But anyway, thank you for listening. Until next time, bye-bye.